Want to learn how to use Pinterest? These are the steps you must follow, and you will be a fan of this application. Use it from your mobile device like this. The first step you should do is, download the Pinterest application. After that, go to the main page, and here you will find several options of images according to their style. Now click on the one that catches your attention. If you want to have it in your mobile device, click Save button and it will be ready for download in your mobile device or computer. Now check the profile of the person who uploaded this photo and click on Follow. You can also make a comment from there. You can see on the page more like this. Click on this button and you can download image, hide pin, report pin and get the code to insert pin. In this button you can click on Share and you will have the option to send by WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook among others. Click on Start, and you will have these three options. Check the designs you like. Click on this Notifications button in Messages to explore this section. If you click on this bar you can find ideas for you and popular on Pinterest. Choose the one you like the most and click on it. Now you can find Explore and Profiles. Options like strong, beautiful, cruel, scroll and you find more options of images. Click on Profiles and you will find several options to follow. This way you can follow several accounts that you like.